up guys? Okay, so we are now 40 minutes away from Kaikoura, and pretty much I'm checking out the east coast as well. So this is the east coast of New Zealand. On this side over here you can actually find like the dolphins, you've got the seals. So just on these rocks over here, like behind me, if we walk over, wait for it, it's coming up. If you walk across, there's actually seals right here in front of me. You can hear the ocean as well, so that's so nice. Just, yeah, check this out. Let's see if I can zoom in on them. But I guess I can. Can you see them moving around? There's a little baby seal. On that side there's more seals. It doesn't, yeah, it looks like some local waste men just trying to get some pictures. No, so you got the boys over there trying to get close-up pictures. It's pretty cool. I mean, look, you can see multiple seals just climbing up. But yeah, this is solid views. We're about to get the sunset. Okay, so after this, once we're at Kaikoura, I'll show you the Airbnb we have there, and you guys will be surprised that we've got an Airbnb like this in New Zealand. So it's something actually that we were supposed to do when we were in Uzbekistan. With the whole COVID thing, we didn't get to travel. So yeah, you'll see when you see it, like you'll be quite surprised that we managed to get something like that in New Zealand and experience it. So I'll show you that when we get there. And yeah, this is New Zealand. For anyone that's like trying to figure out where to go and stuff, every 30 minutes you have to stop to take a photo or to admire like what you're actually looking at. On this side here, this is the east coast, and the west coast has the Hokitika Gorge and like all these other things as well to check out. Yeah, there's just so many things to find, and I don't feel like our 5 days is sufficient for what we're doing. But you know, we got work and we got to get back to work, so it's a little time to de-stress and kind of just enjoy these different places. But look at this. This looks like it's straight out of a canvas. It's surreal. Like you don't even feel like this is actually real when you're here. So I'm gonna enjoy this view, but I'll catch you guys up when we arrive at our Airbnb. So until then, I'll see you guys.